Survivorsa, Murishca gets the chop, Palesa becomes fan favorite. Capetonian Murishca went into a new tribe thinking she had the upper hand. There were 2 alliances and she was meant to be the swing vote. But when she refused help and tribe members accused her of losing a challenge, her head was on the chopping block. She became even more of a risk when she said that her head wasn't entirely in the game. Despite Palesa and Tom not exactly seeing eye to eye, Palesa admitted in the show that when Tom said that Murishca was the weakest link, he was right. Earlier in the game Palesa said she had a clue to a hidden immunity idol, and when it came to tribal council she collected her prize. As the game progresses, it is Palesa who is fast becoming a firm fave on the show for her scheming and superb tactics.
Yeah.